Now we have BA here, AC here, one BC here, one BC here, together 2 times BC bar. What is BA plus AC? You don't need a figure. If you want BA plus AC is BC, but whenever this last letter and this first letter are same, what you get is directly this vector. Okay, that is BC bar. So 3 BC bar by 2. Or if you want to use triangle law, BE can be written as BC plus C, and DC bar can be written as DB plus BC. You can see C and C are same, so it is BE bar, B and B are same, so it is DC bar. Okay, now what is the advantage? Already I got BC and BC as 2 BC bar. What is CE bar in the figure? Half of this side CA bar, including the direction. And what is DB bar is half of AB bar. So that is CA plus AB. What is CA plus AB? It will be CB according to triangle law, or even this last letter, this first letter are same, CB bar. But CB bar is negative of BC bar, okay, because of direction, and we will get 3 by 2 BC bar. That is one. This is opening up everything. BE bar you can write OE minus OB. DC you can write OC minus OD. Don't change B and C, but E is a midpoint. What is the formula for OE? OA plus OC by 2. What is the formula for OD? Midpoint of AB. OA plus OB by 2. And simplify also, you will get. Okay. As I said earlier, the collinearity and coplanarity part, here and there some people may have a confusion. Otherwise, most of the questions like section formula, parallelogram law, triangle law and all, they are not difficult. They are quite easy to comprehend. Yes.
Instead of giving three options, then if you put three options, fourth option is obviously false.
Yeah, that's right.
Instead of that, we can prove one option is false.
Yeah, I was just through. I am not even looked at what is the question. Each option I am treating it as a question and just doing.
How will come?
Okay. Yeah, if ABC are correct, definitely D is false. Okay. But actual correct answer for D will be,
Three G.
yes, you should get 3 times G dash bar. Okay.
Simplify, we're getting three G dash equals G dash.
Anybody any doubt? Please ask. Please feel free to ask. Those questions that you are not got or tried on your own, but only copied from the in the class, you might have understood it, but I prefer later on you sit 1 second and try those questions. Okay, time is finishing, so let us tell option D and stop for this. Okay, the option D in this is there is one triangle ABC with centroid G, and there is some other triangle A dash, B dash, C dash with centroid G dash. They want A dash bar, B dash bar, C dash bar. Quiet please. This one triangle is one centroid, this is another one. A dash bar, I can write O A dash bar minus O A bar. This is O B dash bar minus O B bar. And this is O C dash bar minus O C bar. When I add these three, O A dash bar, O B dash bar, O C dash bar, and add these three, O A bar plus O B bar plus O C bar. This is formula for centroid, by 3 would have been there. So this is 3 times centroid OG bar. This is 3 times position vector of this centroid OG dash. We take 3 common. Please listen to the class. OG dash bar minus OG bar is G dash bar. Okay. So we are getting this is equal to 3 times G dash bar, but they did not give the 3. That's why option D is false. That is a very simple question based on the centroid formula, that's all. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss quite a bit of theory, but up to 33, those who are not tried, please try them once again. And if somebody tried up to 33, you can try again, continue from 45 till end, including numerical. Alright. 45 and till end numerical, we don't need any new theory. Anybody has right now 1 year textbook with you? IP textbook, can you give once? Just a minute, please. Okay, so try to complete exercise 4A, the very first exercise, as far as possible. Second exercise based on the theory that I want to tell, and there is no third exercise here. Oh, there is no third exercise. Okay, then. Okay, just complete examples before the first exercise, and first exercise sufficient. Tomorrow I'll discuss something. All right, you can take break. Thanks.